Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can activate free SSL in your WordPress website. So let's log in into my demo website. Now let's go to dashboard, and after that here you can see plugin section. Just install a plugin. Search here really simple SSL. Here you can see plugin has 5 million plus active installations and 5-star ratings. So just install this plugin. And now activate this plugin. So now here you can see, make sure that you have got SSL detection notification. Scroll down, here you can see an SSL was detected on your site. So if SSL is not detecting on your site, then you can get here free SSL. Type here SSL for free. So you can get a free SSL if your hosting company is not providing a free SSL. So just you can add here your own website, and after that you will get SSL files that you need to add in your cPanel, and after that you will get a free SSL. Okay, so now just click here activate free SSL. Activate, then click login and skip. So now you can see SSL is activated on our website. Okay, thank you for watching.